Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Sonic Racing CrossWorlds low FPS, stuttering and lag on PC. First, right-click on the Start menu and choose Run. Now type temp in the box and press OK. Then select all the files that appear and delete them to remove unnecessary temporary data. After that, go back and again right-click on the Start menu, then click on Run once more. This time, type %, temp %, and hit OK. When the folder opens, select everything inside and delete the files completely. Next, go back and open the settings. Here, click on Windows Update from the left-hand side. Now, click on Check for updates to make sure your system is fully updated. Once the updates are done, restart your PC and launch Sonic Racing CrossWorlds. Again, the lag, stuttering, and FPS problems should now be gone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.